Hey, what's up guys, it's Geoid back with another video. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to play Fortnite on your Android device. So if you don't have a PC and want to try Fortnite, then you're at the right place. Today I'm going to be showing you guys top 3 games that are like Fortnite and can be used as their alternative. So if you're new here, then be sure to subscribe and press the like button. It encourages me to make more videos. So without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. So the first game in our list is Fortcraft. It is an unreleased version and only released in some countries. So if you want to download this, the link will be available in the description. And it is very similar to the Fortnite. So if you want to know more about this, then just watch this full gameplay. So the second game in our list is PlayerUnknown's Battleground. It is a similar concept like Fortnite. If you want to download link, the link will be available in the description, and it is available for all the countries, and you can download this. And now you can watch this official trailer. So the last game in our list is Free Fire. This is one of my favorite games that I used to play every day in my free time. It is a really cool graphics and has similar concept to the Fortnite. So if you want to download this, I will leave a link in the description. So let's see the trailer. So guys, if you enjoyed my video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Of things we know.